Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review the JBL Quantum 360 over-ear wireless gaming headset. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value. This headset aims to provide an immersive audio experience for gamers across multiple platforms. We'll cover its sound quality, microphone clarity, and how comfortable it is for long gaming sessions. Let's dive in and see if this headset meets the demands of serious gamers. The JBL Quantum 360 truly shines with its audio performance, offering JBL Quantum sound signature for an immersive experience. Whether you're tracking footsteps or enjoying game soundtracks, the sound is crisp and detailed. Connectivity is seamless with both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring minimal lag. The flip-up voice-focus boom microphone is excellent for clear communication with your teammates, making sure your commands are heard without distortion. Comfort is crucial for extended gaming sessions, and the Quantum 360 delivers with its lightweight design and plush memory foam ear cushions. You can wear these for hours without discomfort. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 22 hours of continuous wireless gameplay, so you won't be interrupted mid-match. When it's time to recharge, the USB-C connection gets you back in the game quickly, fully charging in about 2 hours. So, is the JBL Quantum 360 worth it? Absolutely. For its price point, you get excellent sound, reliable wireless connectivity, and a comfortable design perfect for long gaming sessions. The clear microphone and impressive battery life further solidify its position as a top choice for gamers. It's a versatile headset that performs well across various platforms, making it a solid investment for anyone serious about their gaming audio. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.